It's a new park for overnight camping for us. So here goes a new pin in our map. And we finish it off with a couple of shots of Fireball because it's after 5. It's okay. Right, Bill?
Yes.
What's yes?
Yes, it's okay.
You do have to use a security code to get into Beachside Campground. This is the road. Site 1, usually the campground host. Right now it is empty. Site 2. Site 3. Right there is a beach overlook. Site 4. Site 5. Site 6. Site 7. And there's someone to take care of Site 7. Site 8. Site 9. Site 10. This is us. Nice picnic table. Site 11. Next to Site 11 is beach access. Site 12. Site 13. Site 14. It's a big one for these tiny spots. Gator fan. Site 15. Site 16. 17. Look at that. Site 18. $19. Site 20. That's the highway back there. But then again, that's the beach right there. Site 21. 22, an ADA site. 23, next to the Bathhouse. 24, ADA. Across from the Bathhouse. Soda machine at the Bathhouse. Sink washing area. No fish cleaning or pet washing. Family bathroom. Two washers. One dryer. And a nice little view of the beach while you're waiting for your laundry. Beachside dump station. ADA parking. Overflow parking. 25. Definitely for tent. Site 26. ADA. Site 27. Next to 27 is Beach Overlook again. Site 28. 29. Site 30. Site 31. Site 32. Site 33. With their permission. Cute little camper.
He went down there.
They're talking about
like,
Traveling Robert.
Right. We love
YouTube.
Traveling Robert.
Site 34. And here's the turnaround. Here's what they refer to as the dog gate on the map. There's a lot of this plant here. At least beachside. The bees like. So if you are allergic, you might want to bring an EpiPen or two. Though they have not bothered us at all. They're too busy with the plants. Till next time.